my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Our nail is infilled and ready for some beautiful artwork. I've got my base of bridal fibre gel on here and I've just given a bit of a file. So colours I'm going to be using today are Angel Sing from the Chorus collection and Timeless from the Eternals collection. We might end up throwing some other bits in there as well. I don't know. We'll see. So don't worry too much about the base colour that you've got down. As long as it's a nude, nothing too prominent. You're not going to want a black base on this. But I quite like Bridal for this anyway because it's such a subtle sparkly colour that if any of it was to peek through, it wouldn't be the worst thing. So I'm just roughly tracing out where I want my node. So I've kind of got a bit of a wiggly situation going on here. Leaving enough room in that middle so that we can pop some glitter in there. Right, let's just give that a cure for me, please, then. So when that comes out, we can pop a second coat on this. If you want to use a different brush, you can do a detailer brush or something just to get, because we're not doing the whole nail, it can be quite tricky. Where is my detailer brush? What shall we use? Where are you? Gel art brush. You'll do the job quite nicely. Right, so I'm just going to use the gel art brush. Just come in and get down this side wall a little bit better. Make sure you're not going too thick with this. We don't want it bubbling under the lamp. Same again on the other side. And don't worry too much about the edges, about how neat it is, because we are going to be trimming it with some foil. Just make sure that you're happy with your coverage of the colour. When you are, that can go in for a cure. Right, so I'm going to matte top coat those bits now. You can do the whole nail if you want. A little bit of floof in there. But make sure all of that node is top coated. And then that can go back into the lamp. So in this middle section, I'm going to use a bit of the No Wipe Top Coat because I'm going to be applying some glitter. I'm also going to be using the Timeless from the Eternals collection. Glitters I've pulled out, I've got Leo, which is a nice fine holographic gold. Draconis, which is multi-shade. I think I might just pick out a couple of bits in here. And then Bellatrix, because this just goes with everything. It just goes with absolutely everything. So let's get a bit of Timeless down first. So we want to keep this in this middle section here. So I'm just gonna, we might not need the top coat actually, I might just pop the glitter on here. Yeah, you can never have too much of this. Do I take that a bit wider? I might take that a bit wider actually, because I love this. So this is one of the reflective polishes. So it looks completely different when there's a flash on it. It looks so beautiful. So the blue I have on my nails, that's one of the reflective ones as well. Let's take this a little bit wider here as well. Okay. Ooh, I love it.
I'm loving that colour.
Let's have a look. Let's see what we got in Bellatrix.
Ooh.
Let's pull a couple of these pieces out. Oh, I love this glitter so much. So I'm just going to pop some of those larger pieces in that thicker section in the middle. Keep it all on there. Should we get a little bit of Leo on there somewhere? I use a little bit of top coat just on my brush just to pick that glitter up. So you could use any colour glitter in here. Big bits, little bits, chunky bits, not so chunky bits. Add loads, add a little bit, add nothing. Whatever you want, really. Just keep it all
contained
in that bit there. Shall we? Let's get some of these gold squares out of here, I think. And just add a couple of those. If we can. Put whatever in there. Let's face it, you can never have too much glitter, can you? Okay, when you're happy, pop that in the lamp. And then try and remember which lids belong to which glitters. I think that's right.
Yeah,
I think that's right. Right, so I need to top coat that middle section now. And again, very careful not to get any of this on the mat. However, if you do, don't fret, because you can just come back in with your matte top coat. So I'm just going to come in with my gel art brush and float the top coat over. We just need to get rid of that stickiness and any bumpiness from the glitter, because we're going to come in next with our foil glue. We are going to come back and top coat this again, and I want to kind of dome it a little bit as well to make it really, really pop. But for now, I'm just making sure that everything that needs to be covered is covered and there's nothing sticky. Okay, pop that in the lamp for me, please. Something on it. So I'm just going to give that a good wipe with the gel cleanser, just in case there is anything sticky left on that nail. There definitely isn't now. Right, so I'm using my 10mm liner. There we go, you can see it. And the foil gel, the best foil gel ever. And we're just going to edge. Looks like a cramp. Just going to edge this. So you can do this as thin or as thick as you want. So I'm going to come down. I might take it off a little bit as well at the end. So we've got like two bits here. So you can thicken it up in some places. And same again on the other side. Make sure you don't go too thick with this. Okay, when you're happy with that, that can go into the lamp for a full 30-second cure. No more, no less. I'm still undecided about which foil to use. So I pulled out the metallic foils. There's so many pretty colours in here. I think this one's too obvious. I want to throw a curveball in there. I'll have a look when it comes back out.
I like that orange one, you know.
I'm not sure. I think that's too much of a curveball. I don't know. Okay, let's have a look.
That yellow. It's picking out the yellows in the Leo and the Draconis.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
I quite like the silver though.
Do the silver then. I'll wear both.
Silver or gold, silver or gold, silver or gold, silver or
See,
gold.
I like the gold.
We're going to do gold then. Oh no, it's stuck to you now. We'll go gold then. Right, so make sure you've got a nice clean bit of the foil. You can trim it if you want to. I'm just going to come and press that in and transfer the foil, and it's so beautiful. I love it. Oh Sam, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Right in there. Oh, look at that, Sam. It's so pretty. Right, let's just move that out of the way for now.
Oh, wow, yeah.
I like it.
I'm glad we went for that gold.
Yeah, good choice. Now we need to top coat. So I'm going to top coat this middle section again. Make sure I'm getting the foil as well. Careful not to come onto your matte top coat. If you're not very good with like steady hand stuff, you can just gloss the whole thing, but I do like the contrast of your matte with especially the foiling and the glitters. It really makes it pop. Right, where's my top coat? Over here. Over here. So I'm going to use my 10mm liner for this, just so I can be nice and precise. And obviously with this, it does get a little bit tricky to see where you've gone and where you haven't. So just bear that in mind. Obviously the glitter has already been top coated. The most important thing that we're doing here is the foil. If you don't top coat the foil, it will come away. So make sure you get all of that. But we are top coating the glitter again, just because I really want that domed effect. So when you're happy that you've covered all of the foil, I'm going to come back with a bit of a dollop of top coat. I'm going to place it right in the belly of this glittery section, just to make it dome and pop. When you're happy with that, pop that in the lamp. Fabulous. Oh, I like that. I really like that Bellatrix glitter.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Right, let's pop the bubblegum cuticle oil on this, and just be careful not to get too much on, because it will make your matte section shiny. So just be careful applying that on. And there you have it.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.